Hello lovers of Bouquet Fashion. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you some little things I have around for hair. So first is my Zigzag scissors. I was so in love with these scissors, so I just had to get one. I mean, look at that. Isn't it perfect? So perfect. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting a Zigzag scissors for your closures, for your frontal. And next is going to be our hairpins for our wig. So yeah, I was using T-pins for a while, so I decided to get this to try it out as well. Next, hair clips for your coils, for sectioning your hair. It's just so necessary to have this. C needle, which I think is a game changer and the perfect needle for your wig making. So I got a whole lot, which I don't know what I'm doing with. So what do they call this brush? Velcro brush. Getting a Velcro from Velcro or lasso. Yeah. So you could also get the electric one. So with this one I use with my blow dryer. So you could get the electric one. And next we have this thing, I don't know what it's called, but I use it for my pizza cut, and yeah. Also I use it for layering my hair, and I don't know what it's called. So let me know in the comment section what you call this. I also got this holding spray because I heard was good. So you just try out products. When you feel like one isn't working for you, or you feel like one could be better, you try it out. So I got this to try it out to see if the hype was worth it. And then I got this pink sheen spray just because it was cute, because I normally use a different hairspray, so I decided to add this to the mix. And I also like the perfume of this hairspray. It's so good. So here's the hairspray I normally use. So I just included the previous one so I could switch it up from time to time. And next we have our hair mousse. Perfect for some people, use it for baby face. Actually, I haven't really tried this out, and also I don't know if it lasts for baby face because I have problems with my baby face. Most of the times when I use eco gel, within a day it's lifting, and when I use got to be spray, it's too strong. So it's just, yeah. And I also got this cute mini straightener. I actually use it for my pizza as well. So I would definitely recommend it. It's also good for travels. So yeah. So let's pluck it on and see. And it's on. Perfect. So for my wig, guys, sorry about that. I got Delos chalk for my wig making, so I can mark where I have to put my wig, where I have to sew my wig. And I also use this to kind of mark out where I want my lace to be on the client's hair. That way I don't get the glue everywhere where it's not supposed to be. So yeah, definitely recommend. Yeah, I'm so sleepy, guys. Next we have our heat protector spray. So I'm also trying out this brand. And next we have our argan oil hair mask for my revamp. So yeah, also trying this brand out. Considering this is Creamy Max, well, we'll see how it goes. So yeah. Next up, we have Anti-Jackie's Koilala. This product has so much hype, I just needed to buy and see for myself. And yeah, it's really good. It's worth the hype. So shout out to Auntie Jackie. Always here with our loudest for our coily or watery freaks. So that's our spray bottle. And we have got to be. So guys, this is what I use. So I was thinking of getting a pen as well. A pin, that is as well. So yeah. So for now, this is what I have. Trying a stylist out, and we have our lace tints for when I'm lazy and don't want to go through all the operation process of tinting hair. I just get this, put on my blow dryer, and I'm good to go. Next up, we have our tweezers, which I have to buy every 2 days because it becomes blunt for no reason, and will instead whip my lace out instead of ripping the hair out from where I want it to be. So I decided to get a pack to see if it will last. Next, we have our Velcro rollers because I've heard so much about these rollers and I had the plain ones. So I just had to get for myself. Unfortunately, they came in a very small size, which was very unnecessary, and just one pack came. So now I can't use it. What a waste. But I did make something work out. Next, we have our 14-in-1 called Miracle Worker. Like, you really have to show me a miracle. I'm used to Lotta Baby. I don't know how Hawaiian silk really works. So, but we'll see about that. Lotta Baby, my go-to when it comes to heatless coils, like nobody better. So my conditioner was finished, so I had to get a conditioner for my wigs. Next, we have a leave-in conditioner for when my wig is just feeling under the weather in this harmattan. So yeah. Next, we had a wand coil. Yeah. So I bought this brand to try it out. And I'm going to try it out and give a review on what I think about the brand. So yeah. It's on. Wasn't scams. Thank God. Next we have a coiler. Yeah, this is a coiler. It said coily hair comb professional coiler, and it said something about 21 seconds, which was totally a very big fat lie, because it took almost 21 hours to get hot before I could begin using, and the grip on this thing is 0. I definitely do not recommend. I need to get a new one because this one I got is not getting the job done for me. The hold is not strong enough. The hair just keeps slipping out of it. Like, this is 0 on 100, guys. I'm not even going to lie. I'm so pissed about it. So yeah. Next, I got this because it was cute or whatever. Then I saw this big ass needle. I don't know what it is for. But yeah, I already had my fake surgical scissors for my lace, and I had my zigzag scissors. So maybe for the cutters, I don't know. Most of it is missing already. I haven't even used one, so yeah, there goes that. So this needle, I don't know what it's for. So big. Never seen such a big ass needle in my life. So yeah, it was cute, so I got it. Next, we have our 3-in-1, which I'm going to try out and give my review, what I think about this product. another 28 seconds. I hope it doesn't turn out like the coiler, because that coiler, I'm so pissed about that coiler, guys. I'm so pissed about it. So I guess it wasn't bad. I needed a blow dryer that blows cool air, so I decided to get this. The packaging was cute, whatever. So I have used this and it's really good, guys. So it's not that bad. So it blows hot and cool air. Perfect. I also got a canvas head because I needed one more. I had a size 22, so I went for a size 23 this time around, because why not? And there's it. After customizing and transferring our head measurements to it, this is what was looking out. Check out my previous videos, you're going to see a video on this. And next I got this camera I saw. So it's supposed to be a motion detector camera. Oh, selfie stick, sorry about that. Motion detector selfie stick. So what I was previously holding was the remote. And here is a selfie stick. So that is the motion detector, apparently, where you see the laser camera on. It's really good, guys. I'm going to make a separate video on this. It's really perfect, especially for those of us that do a lot of video shootings and move around. So it's just going to follow you wherever you go. So yeah, wasn't bad. Thanks for watching. Bye.